Hi, this is Brian with WLTI, and stay with me for 1 minute because I want to show you why this is one of the best perks of still living with my parents. I'm going to talk about this Panini toaster from Hamilton Beach. I have been using the Hamilton Beach Panini press since 2014 and I have been very satisfied with it. It is a versatile tool that allows me to prepare a variety of delicious and quick meals. It has a non-stick surface, which I really appreciate. The locking closure is really good to carry the panini press. And the 180-degree opening is very good when you want to prepare very large sandwiches. The grill is also easy to use and clean, so that's something very good to have on a toaster. That's a very good feature. It can be used to prepare paninis, sandwiches, quesadillas, burgers, and more. We have used the Hamilton Beach Panini press frequently in my household for almost a decade. It still works like new. It is a durable and reliable product. I am very satisfied with the Hamilton Beach Panini press. It is a versatile tool, as I said before, and it allows me to prepare a bunch of delicious and quick sandwiches and paninis. This is something that I use daily for my breakfast. I highly recommend it to anyone looking for a quality panini press. This is Brian with WLTI, and that's my point of view.